Welcome students, I am Anupama Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Today I am going to teach you Roman numerals for large numbers. In our previous lesson of Roman numerals, we have learned what are the different rules for Roman numerals. And today we will apply those rules with one more specific rule for large numbers. We have learned that there are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. I denotes for 1, V denotes for 5, X denotes for 10, L denotes for 50, C denotes for 100, and D denotes for 500, and M denotes for 1000. And we have written so many Roman numerals by using these 7 symbols and their rules. Today we are going to learn a very specific rule, which is this sign of bar. If we use this sign of bar on any Roman numeral, that value of that Roman numeral is multiplied by 1000. For example, the value of V is 5, but if we use the symbol of bar upon it, then it is V bar, and 5 multiplied by 1000 and the value will be 5000. Similarly, X bar, X, the value of X equals to 10, and because of this bar, the value will be 10 multiplied by 1000, 10,000. Here XX means 20, and if we use bar above XX, then it is 20 multiplied by 1000, 20,000. So this specific rule of bar says that the value of Roman symbol is multiplied by 1000 if we use a bar above that symbol. V bar equals to 5000, X bar equals to 10,000, L bar, because the value of L equal to 50, so it is multiplied by 1000, that is 50,000. C bar means 100,000. D bar 500,000. M bar 1000,000. I have told you about this table, and if we know the value of these numbers in form of Roman, then we can easily form any Roman numeral, whether they are large or small. Just see here, for 2 we use I. For 3 we use I. For 4 IV. For 6 VI. VI means 5 plus 1 equals to 6. That's why VI. And why IV? Because I is smaller than V. That's why we write it IV. And the meaning of this is 5 minus 1 equals to 4. I have already told these rule of subtraction and addition in previous video. So kindly watch previous video also if you have any kind of doubt. 7 equals to VII, 8 equals to VIII, 9 equals to IX. So similarly, these are few key values, and by use of these we can easily construct any Roman numeral. Just see first example. 2436. At first I will write this in expanded form, 2000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6. Now for 2000 we can use the value m. We know that m denotes to 1000, right? So for 2000 we will use mm. For 400 it is cd. For 330 it is xxx. Then for 6 vi. Now it is our Roman numeral for 2436, MMCD XXX VI. But you know, we can use that specific rule of bar also for this Roman numeral. See here again, for 2000 we know the value of I equal to 1, right? And the value of II equals to 2. So if we multiply 2 by 1000, it is 2000. It means Let us write II by using this sign of bar, and it will become 2000. Rest of these just like this. CD, XXX, VI. So it is also an option to write 2436. It is also right and it is also right. Take one more example. See here, 12,670. At first, what we have to do, we will write the thousands value all together like this, 12,000 plus 670. Now, for 12,000, what is the value of 12 in Roman? Yes, XII. So we will just use bar above XII and it will become 12,000. XII bar. It means X 12 multiplied by 1000, that is equals to 12,000. And for 670, yes, for 600 it is DC, and for 70 it is LXX. So it is DC LXX. So this is the value XII bar DCLXX. Now take one more example. 54,300. For this, I am writing this like 54,000 plus 300. Now, what is the value of 54? For 50, there is a sign L, and for 4, it is IV. It means LIV, and put bar above LIV. So it is the value 54,000. 54 multiplied by 1000. And for 300 it is CCC. So the Roman numeral for 54,300 is LIV bar CCC. So this is the rule, and with the help of this we can get any Roman numeral for any large number.